In a quiet town lived a lonely 12-year-old boy named Liam. He had no friends. Kids in school ignored him, some even laughed at him.
But I have a secret. I can hear animals talk. Hi there! What a beautiful day. Oh, a squirrel! Come here! Hey boy, you're so friendly! Wow, look at all the birds! Oh, hello there! Where did you come from?
Just exploring. It's a lovely evening.
It is. I'm glad you're here.
Whoa, where did you all come from?
You can hear us? You're amazing! This is great! Please. I can hear
From
you.
that moment, everything changed.
Hey little guy, are you okay? Come here, buddy. I've got you. That's better, isn't it? Hey little guy, let me help. There you go, run free. Hey kitty, you look hungry. Here you go. Good kitty. Hey little guy, it's okay. There you go, little squirrel. Here you go, kitty. It's getting late. I should head home. The sun's setting. Time to go. Home is just down the path.
But one day,
Something terrible happened.
hunters entered the forest.
They set traps everywhere. Animals were
The
scared.
forest grew silent. Please, you're the only one who can help us.
What could I do?
But he remembered something. Even the smallest voice can make a difference.
I can hear them! Hang on, little guy. You're free now. Deeper we go. I'm coming! There you go. You're free now. Deeper we go! Please take me! I won't.
Please, don't leave me.
I won't. Don't leave me! I won't. This way!
Over there!
Yes, go away. Help me!
Hold still, I'll get it.
Ah!
You're free.
Hey, what was that? Hang on, I'm coming!
Hell, stop right there!
Almost got it. I have to hide. Heart pounding. It's quiet now.
You saved us.
Whoa, where did you all come from? Hey there, big guy, you're amazing. This is the best day ever.
From that day on, the forest protected Liam. And even though humans never understood him, the animals always did. From that day on, the forest protected Liam, and Liam protected the forest. The animals always understood him.
Sometimes, the world may not hear you, but someone out there always does.